Hey everyone, in this video, we will learn about how we can use the Storm MCP. It's a smart gateway for MCP servers that makes connecting tools and managing servers easy and secure. Storm MCP lets you connect your AI tools like Cloud, Cursor, and more with just one click. You don't need to set up each separately. It supports the auth and API keys, and that will give you the single dashboard to manage everything in just one place. So let me show you how we can use the Storm MCP to connect with the Cursor AI, and then we're going to build the one web application with this. So here we go. So first of all, open the stormmcp.ai website. Open this website and we can see we have an option like Start Now. Let's click on this. Now we need to sign up with our Google account. You can sign up with GitHub or X. So I'm going to log in with Google account. And now let's accept this and done. As you can see, this is the dashboard of our Storm MCP. And here you'll find a lot of apps. You can connect all these apps and you can connect apps according to your requirement. So as you can see here, we have the filter options is like we can check by analytics, we can check by blockchain, data, and a lot of things, right? Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create one simple web application and I'm going to use here Supabase. So you can see Supabase, I'm going to use it and I'm going to use it like GitHub. So both I'm going to use to create a web app and that will deploy on the GitHub page. So we can have a to-do list web app. And this web app have an amazing backend, front end, everything. So let me show you how we can do it. First of all, we need to connect app. So suppose let's try this connect. So let's click on the connect. And you can see we need to put the access token. So first of all, open the new tab and just type here supabase.com. Now we need to log into this platform and now go to the dashboard. So we can see this is the dashboard. Let's click on the setting option and go to the account preference. And in the left side, you will see the option of access token. Click on this. And now we need to create a token. So let's click on the create new token. And token name is like to-do list app new. Okay. And expire is never. And just click on the generate token. So once you generate a token, let's copy this token. Go to Storm MCP and just paste that token here and click on connect. Like this. Fantastic. Let's click on done. Now let's add the another app as like GitHub. So just search here GitHub. Here we have. Let's click on the connect again. And here we need to again put the token. So open the GitHub. Make sure don't reveal all these ID with anyone. Okay. So now let's go to the settings option. And in the left side, you will see here the scroll down. You can see the developer setting. Click on this. Now in the left side, you will see here the personal access token. Click on this. Fine grain token. And now click on generate new token. Now token name is Storm MCP to-do list app. Okay. And let's click on the generate token and generate token. Then just copy this token and go to here and just paste it and just click on connect. Once it's connect, everything is done. Let's click on done. Now we have two apps connected. You can check here from not connected apps and connected apps like this from here. Let's create a gateway. So in the left side, we'll see the gateway option. Click on this. Now click on the create your first gateway and the gateway name, you can type anything like the Storm MCP app. Okay. And I'm going to select both apps that I have connected. You can select any apps that you want to connect. Okay. Let's click on next. And I'm going to just select all the functions. Okay. And for Supabase, I'm going to just select all and let's click on create. And here we have endpoint and let's click on done. Fantastic. Now we need to connect this with any tool. You can connect with this Cursor AI. You can connect with Cloud or any platform. So I'm going to use here the Cloud AI. Okay. So how we can do this? So it's very simple. Click on the Cloud. And here we have three options. So I'm going to use here the local config with auth. Click on this. And you can see this is the code. This is the simple code I need to copy. Now we need to open the Cloud AI. Okay. So I have this Cloud. Now we need to go to the Cloud and go to the setting option. And here in the left side, you will see the developer option. You can see the added config. Click on this. And you can see this is we have file. open this file in any code editor. Like you can open this VS Code, Cursor AI, anywhere. Okay, just need to open this file. And as you can see here, we have just copied one code here like this. Go here and just paste it. And just save this file. Use Command S or Control S and just cross this. Done. Now we just need to close this Cloud AI here. Just quit this. And now let's reopen that Cloud AI. And once you reopen this, you will see here the Cloud AI is connected with our MCP Storm server. So now let's go to the cloud. Let's go to the settings and check our developers. You can see a Storm MCP server is running. It's been connected. Fantastic. Now in this tool, we have added two things like Supabase and the GitHub. Let's start a new chat. Okay, let's click on setting, and as you can see here, this web search and this server is connected. Fantastic. So what I'll do here, create a simple to-do list app with our authentication. Use Supabase as a backend database and deploy this project to GitHub page. For a front end, please use the HTML, CSS and JS. We are using here the simple HTML, CSS because GitHub page is designed to deploy the static files. That's why when we use here the JS, so Supabase project can connect our JS files, direct file, and that can provide the authentication, the to-do list data, everything. Okay, so this is really cool. So let's always allow, and let's wait some seconds, and it will take around 4 to 5 minutes to create your whole project. That's really fantastic. So this is the power of a Storm MCP, where you can connect any app and that can build the entire web application with front end, back end, authentication, everything in just few clicks. So now let me show you the final result here. You can see this is a to-do list app that we have created. Here we can do the sign up process. Here we can do the sign in process and everything we can do. So let's go to the here, okay, Supabase. Go here and go to the organization. You can see this created a to-do app for us, and he created this Cloud AI, okay, created a database, a structure, everything for us like this. Fantastic. Let me show you how this will work. Okay, let's try to sign up here. Account created. Let's click on sign in and just sign in. Wow, you can see you can just add here app, create app like this, add task like this. Now you can just check. Wow, fantastic. This overall web application we just created with the help of a Storm MCP, Supabase, GitHub page. And we don't need to write a single line of code, and we have successfully launched our app. This is the power of a Storm MCP. Now we can see in the Storm MCP, you will see here all the things like just click on this app. You can see 2 connected apps. You can see in the left side, let's click on this, and you can see here the users. Now you can see we are using this, and you can see initialization, list organization, most used function, request volume, everything you can see in just a single dashboard. You can connect with other app according to your requirement, what type of projects you want to create. Okay, now here's the pricing module. So let's go to the Storm MCP. As you can see here, they have a simple pricing. They have just 3 plans as like a starter. This is totally free of cost, having around 25K total calls per month. They have a professional plan. This is just a $29 a month, and they have an enterprise plan also. That is around $199 per month. So you can choose the plan according to your requirement. So if you have any doubt related to this tool, so just comment on the video. I'm going to solve your problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.